Alright, YouTube. I have this monitor today that we are finally going to unbox. This monitor is actually something that I got for Christmas. I mean, it is January 15th right now, so just keep that in mind. I'm probably going to delay the upload of this just because I'm going to get pretty busy at school right now, so I'm just pumping out as much videos as I can to spread over the time. But right now we're going to look at a 27-inch curved LCD monitor. It doesn't say anywhere in the box. This monitor does not say anywhere on the box its resolution, but I looked it up. It appears to be 1080p, which is not super high resolution for modern standards, but compared to most of the monitors that I have, this is pretty good. The best one I have right now is a 900p screen, just slightly below what we have. So I just have this box. It's big. I need to clear up some space in this room, and not to mention actually get to use this monitor. So here we have some cables. Power cable. This appears to be an HDMI cable, but it's a 45 watt power supply. And we also got a piece of something here. I think this is actually the neck. I can already tell that this monitor is going to be difficult in handling, so we might as well look at the ports now. As previously thought, you do get a display port, an HDMI port, a VGA port. Why would you use that? It's a 1080p monitor. And you also have, it appears to be audio ports and a power supply port. Neck of the monitor, it appears to be, doesn't seem to be adjustable, but as you can see it should. Just by intuition it slides into there, and there it's locked into place. Don't need instructions. This is the top of the base. It actually looks like the bottom of an iMac G4, but this is the bottom. It has little screws here and here which go into the corresponding screw holes here and here. We can set this up and use it, and I will make a review of it in a proper way sometime in the future.